Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to streamline your payments and add your Capital One card to Apple Wallet in 2025, you're in the right place. This quick guide will walk you through the process step by step, making it super easy to get set up for contactless payments, rewards tracking, and more. Let's dive in. First things first, before we get started, make sure you have the essentials ready. You'll need an iPhone running the latest iOS. Check for updates in your settings, an active Capital One account, and the Capital One mobile app installed. Also, ensure your card is eligible for Apple Wallet. Most Capital One cards like Venture or Quicksilver should work seamlessly. Okay, let's jump into the steps. Start by opening the Capital One app on your iPhone. Log in with your credentials if you haven't already. Once you're in, navigate to your card dashboard. It's usually the main screen where you see your cards listed. Tap on the specific card you want to add. Next, look for the Add to Wallet or Apple Pay option. This might be under a settings menu or directly on the card details page. When you select it, the app will prompt you to verify your identity, often using Face ID, Touch ID, or a passcode for security. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. After verification, you'll be asked to add the card to your Apple Wallet. Tap Continue and wait for the process to complete. It usually takes just a few seconds. Once it's done, open your Apple Wallet app to see your card there. To test it, go to a payment option in a supported app or head to a store with Apple Pay enabled. A few tips to make this smooth. If you run into any errors, double-check that your iOS and Capital One app are up to date, as 2025 might bring new features or requirements. Also, if your card isn't showing up, contact Capital One support through the app. They're great at helping out. And there you have it. You've successfully added your Capital One card to Apple Wallet, making your everyday transactions faster and more secure. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.